Alright, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna water them today. It's just a 1 gallon, which is it's already been brewing. I put in air stone in there. And let's adjust this so you guys can see my little workstation. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some of this Mykos, this wettable powder. It's from the sample. So I'm gonna put whatever it says. So it's for 1 gallon, 1 tablespoon. So we're gonna open this up. It's still sealed, and then we're gonna do the mixture. Yeah, because let's see. If you look at right here, see 1 gallon, 1 tablespoon. Hydrants, Mykos wettable powder. So there you go. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so this pretty much breaks everything down. The Azos, the compost tea, and then cow carb. And I think I'm gonna do a cow carb foliar spray today too. When the lights energized, I did the integrated pest management spray with the pure crop. So I did. I didn't record it, but I did the 1 quart. So for 1 quart, I did the math. So it's 7.5 milliliters per quart, because there's 4 quarts. So there's 128 fluoro ounces in a gallon, and then if you divide that by 32, that's 4 of them. So you can make 4 batches. You know what I mean? So yeah, so I already did the first application of my integrated pest management regimen or routine. So yeah, I'll record that next time. Alright, so I got my air stone in here, like you see. And so let's do this. Let's open this up. We're gonna add some wettable powder. Alright. Let's open it up. Don't want to drop it. Gotta hold it on real good. Oh man, yeah, it's very micronized. Yeah, it's very powder form. So let me get my measure. A little tablespoon. Yeah, it's super powdery. Alright. Hopefully I don't block myself. Alright. So that's how I go about it. So I'm very precise with my measurements, and I'm going to show you guys, because precision is key. Like engineer, like if you're going to build a bridge or anything, I learned that taking engineering classes. At the Conservation Corps, with my environmental science class, my teacher was Andrea, and then at Trade Tech. So let me show you guys. So that's 1 tablespoon, right? So I have all my little measurements here, so I'm going to go for my 1 tablespoon. I'm actually going to do half a tablespoon, not 1 full tablespoon. Yeah, because it seems like a lot, and it's not a lot that they send me. If it would have been a bigger bag, then yeah, I would have used more. I would have used a tablespoon, the full tablespoon, but I'm going to use half of a tablespoon. Yeah, because I want it to last. Alright, so look, half a tablespoon. I don't know if you guys can see it. Half tablespoon. Alright. This is how I go about it, right? So yeah, because it's not a lot. It's a little bit, dude. It's like not even 2 tablespoons in this mother loud. Yeah, just send a little bit. I'm going to send an email. I'm going to call them and send them an email. Hey, man, you guys should have sent me that package you guys sent John Colder. Alright, so look. We got them like this, and now we're going to see it. And then we're just going to go like that. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm trying to do it and not mess up. Alright, cool. Bam. Oh. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Alright, so look. It's precise. See what I mean? So what I do with the card, the X's, I just slide it through, all the way through. And yeah, so I have precise measurements. Alright, so then this bad boy's gonna go in here, right? Alright, let me lift this up. Throw this in here. Alright. Now, with my stirrer, I'm gonna stir this. That. Yeah, so there's only probably like a tablespoon, no more than 2 tablespoons, man. So we're gonna do that for another round. So that's it. Seal this bad boy up. Put it away. And I don't know if you guys recalled, I think it was OfferUp or Craigslist, but I went to pick up like a bunch of free nutrients, and so I got these for free, and these are these Azos packs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour one of these package into this. So I'm gonna add the Azos and the Mykos. Okay. So we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna show you how it looks too. Powder. Well, let's open it here. Let's remove the stone. And let's always sink to the bottom. Alright, Pete, so I'm going to show you how it looks. It's just some white powder. And we're going to dump it back in there. That's how the ISO looks on these little packages. But remember, I got these for free. I actually went to pick them up. What's a little mission? It wasn't far, that's why I went. So there you go. So that's how the ASOs look like. Oh, I'm dropping some. Not smart. I'll put these away, the Azos package that I got for free. So that's that. I'm gonna let that aerate for a little bit, and then I'm gonna water it. All right, my peeps.